This video covers the simple steps required to assemble the dice panel. Carefully read the dice panel installation instructions before performing the panel assembly. Unboxing and components. Start by unboxing all of the dice panel components as shown on the figure. You should have one upper back panel, one lower back panel, one shelf, two shelf supports, two back panel attachment tabs, two shelf attachment tabs, 6 1/2 inch long standoffs, 3 1 1/8 inch long dice spacers, 3 dice rear nut tabs, 24 3/4 inch long assembly screws, and 3 3/8 inch long assembly screws. To perform assembly, use a Phillips type screwdriver. Start by inserting the back panel attachment tab on the shelf support with the 10 smaller holes facing outward from the shelf support. Then, insert the shelf attachment tab on the shelf support with the chambered hole facing outward from the shelf support. Firmly push the tabs until they are completely inserted in the shelf support. Repeat these steps on the second shelf support to obtain 2 symmetrical pre-assembled shelf supports. The shelf has 4 pockets located on its bottom surface. Assemble the 2 pre-assembled shelf supports into those shelf pockets. Firmly press them together until the shelf supports are fully inserted into the shelf pockets. Using 6 of the 3/4 inch long assembly screws, secure the components in place. Align the lower back panel and the upper back panel with their front facing up. The dice logo on the upper back panel should be facing up, and the chamber groove of both the upper and lower panels should be facing down. Insert the shelf pre-assembly into the 6 lower and upper back panel openings. Firmly press them together until the shelf supports are fully inserted into the back panel openings. Using 18 of the 3/4 inch long assembly screws, secure the components in place. Insert 6 of the 1/2 inch long standoffs on the back of the upper and lower back panels. If required, use a plastic hammer to press fit the standoff into the dedicated holes. The dice panel allows for 4 different dice installations. The dice spacers and rear nut tabs will need to be installed using the following patterns: Dice DS left side installation, Dice DS right side installation, Dice DM left side installation, Dice DM right side installation. Following the pattern of the chosen configuration, insert 3 1 1/8 inch long dice spacers into the dedicated holes on the front of the upper back panel. If required, use a plastic hammer to press fit the dice spacers into their holes. Also, following the pattern of the chosen configuration, install the dice rear nut tabs into the predefined pockets. Secure the tabs in place using 3 of the 3/8 inch long assembly screws. The dice panel assembly is now completed.